Begin by measuring the width of the window to determine the size of the window box. Ours will extend to the full width of the window, so we're cutting 2 1x8s and 1 1x6 to that dimension. The 1x6 will form the bottom of the box, and the 1x8s will be the front and the back walls. The back wall is attached to the bottom in a 90-degree corner with wood glue and coated deck screws. The angle of the front side will be dictated by the amount of taper on the end cap. Our end cap is made from a piece of 1x8 which has one side tapered from 5.5 inches to 4. Position the side of this piece with 2 90-degree cuts toward the back of the box so that the tapered edge is on the front with the narrow edge at the bottom of the box. By gluing and screwing this piece in position, we establish the angle of the front taper so the front side can be attached to the assembly. Another identically tapered piece can then be installed at the other end. In the middle of the box, we're securing a small piece of 2x4 to add extra strength before we drill drainage holes every few inches along the bottom. The vertical cleats that will support the box and hold it off the wall are made from 1x4s. We're marking and cutting a radius on the bottom of our cleats for decorative purposes. Each cleat is made of 2 pieces. A larger piece that is 4 inches longer than the height of the box, and a smaller 4-inch piece that is glued and screwed on top of the longer one with the bottom edges flush with each other. Once all of the parts are sanded, primed, and painted, the cleats can be attached to the wall. The box sits on the lip of the cleat for vertical support and screws through the back of the box to tie it to the cleat. The finished product is both functional and pretty attractive.